Nababaw Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Tita Tin's Baked with Love for sending us their products for us to try on, as well as magpakilala po sa atin. It all started in Hong Kong. So, started as a request, some bread, cakes, ensaymada, and then fast forward today, they are starting to venture dito po sa Pampanga, dito po sa atin sa Pilipinas. And now, look at their products. If you check their fan page, they have a lot of products, cookies, as well as cupcakes, mga brownies, and a lot more. Now, I want to introduce to you the items that they sent us today one by one. I want to start with this one. This is called their coffee buns. This is so lovely. Napakaganda ng texture nung coffee cover natin dito. Try it! Number one, sobrang soft. Sobrang smooth, sobrang moist. Although for me, the coffee is a little bit bitter. I mean, consider it's coffee talaga, diba? It has to be bitter. But for me, I think medyo, parang sa konti lang, overpower yung coffee niya. Pero ganun pa man, I still wanna try it one more. Ang sarap ng bun niya, grabe. Now we also have some cookies right here. Choco chip, and then this one is a fudge cookie. Ganyan. Alright. Oh. Wow. Sobrang moist pa rin niya, no? I gotta, warn you guys. I think si Tita Tin's has, wanna emphasize yung mga ingredients. This one has really strong chocolate in taste. So, kahit makaisa ka lang nito, guys, good enough for your dessert. Yep. Now, this one is their cheese roll. Napaka-lovely. So beautiful yung physical appearance niya. It's very eye-appetizing. And let's taste it. Gusto ko yung consistency ng bread niya. For this one, I think it has the right amount of saltiness from the cheese plus yung parang buttery sugar natin on the top. Then again, ang sarap ng bread ng cheese roll na to. Ito naman yung kanilang banana cake. Ayan. So they got a lot of mga fruit cake available sa fan page po nila. So make sure to check them out. This is just one, which is their banana cake. You can really taste the essence ng banana. Then for this one, again, for me, personally, my take, right amount of sugar. Good job. Now, for the ensaymada, meron po silang dalawang flavor. This one is cheese, and then the other one is ube. If you've been following me, I'm gonna go with the ube. Okay? So, this is similar to the cheese. This time, it's ube flavor. Ayan. Gusto kasi yung mga medyo native, yung mga kakanin. And then, this one is it. Wow! I love the ube jam. Sobrang sarap ng ube jam. Ang bango din niya. And at the same time, it has cheese in it. So parang natikman mo na rin yung cheese ensaymada. But this one, I really like the ube. Alright, so sabi nga nila, save the best for last. We have two more cakes to try. This is the burnt Basque. It's a cheesecake. No? It doesn't have that crust. All throughout nung pagiging cake na is cheesecake. Right, let's taste it. Wow, I think for me, this one, not sour, which gusto ko yun. Now, this cake right here is very different from the cheesecake. This is a Banoffee. If you notice, banana, coffee, pie. What else are we waiting for? Tingnan na natin to. So, let's remove this. So, yung pinaka-top natin is like an icing. It's like a mousse. And then, yung pinaka-bottom layer natin is a cake. Look at this. Para siyang soaked with coffee. I gotta say, it's a little bit sinful kasi sobrang dami ng tinitikman natin. But, nasa harapan mo na eh. Di mo ba kakainin? Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you're interested to check out, we're gonna be adding the number and the fan page you need to check out. It's Tita Tin's Baked with Love. Ayan guys, if you wanna order this one for special occasions, a birthday, you know, a very intimate gathering, or even a simple day, turn it into a very special moment when you order these kinds of product and share it with your special someone. Guys, again, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace! Bye-bye. More of this, please.